Good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to talk to you about something I was going to try to do today. I was going to try to upgrade my hard drive in my laptop, which is, I bought it on Walmart.com. It's called a Evoo or something like that. But anyways, I've had it for a couple of years. I think I got it in 2022. It was during COVID. And so I was going to upgrade the hard drive because it only has a 256 gigabyte hard drive. And I was saying, well, I'm going to buy a new hard drive for it. So I bought one of these upgrade kits, and it's a penny or a PNY upgrade kit. And it comes with the hard drive, which is a 1 terabyte NVMe Generation 4 hard drive, or a M.2 drive. And then it comes with this, which is a transfer. You can put your little m.2 in there, and it comes with software where you can actually transfer all of your, clone your drive, basically. You're going to clone your drive. So I got everything done on it, and I opened up the computer. That wasn't a problem because previously I did have to replace the battery in this, so it was easy for me to open the case to it because I previously done it. But so I took the old hard drive. Of course, I unhooked the battery because you don't want to damage your new M.2 or the old M.2. And so I traded out the M.2 and tried to boot it up, and it wouldn't boot. So I went into the BIOS to try to change the BIOS, but there wasn't a selection for a PCIe M.2 or an NVMe hard drive. So I was like, and so the previous M.2 is actually just a Sata 3. And so I was like, oh no, what am I supposed to do? So I was like, well, so I went ahead, and the other day I went ahead and purchased this one on Amazon. It's only a 512 gigabyte M.2, but it is a Sata 3. And I was like, okay, I'll just transfer everything on that. So I went back to this little neat little USB to M.2. It only reads the NVMe versions. It does not read as SATA. So now it's like I put the old M.2 back in, and there's another port for another M.2. So I was like, well, I'll just put this one in as the backup so I can save files on. Well, that port doesn't work. So now I'm having to wait on another USB to M.2 from Amazon, and it's not going to come until probably next Tuesday. Well, it's Wednesday the 8th, and it won't be here until Tuesday, January 14th. So maybe I'll do a video on how to change the M.2, how to open this computer. But right now I'm kind of at a standstill because I'm waiting on that new USB to M.2 for SATA 3. So stay tuned. We may get this hard drive upgrade it. I don't know. I'm kind of at a loss because, you know, usually it's really easy. You just go into the BIOS, but and then I thought, well, I'll just update the firmware on the BIOS. But guess what? This company who actually made these laptops for Walmart went out of business, and they do not have any support for this board on their website. In fact, when I went to their website, and there's a link for this particular laptop, but it's a broken link. So they evidently totally went out of business, and there's no support for this laptop. And so that's where I am right now on this journey of trying to upgrade this m.2, but it's just not working. So you live and you learn, but you know, I hope that you are having a better day than I am, or a better week than I am. Of course, you know, everything is for a reason. Maybe it was just for a lesson for me to learn patience. But I hope you are having a great day. And as always, if you like the content, leave me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Maybe you can solve my problem. And of course, I would love it if you would subscribe. And as always, God bless.